Hi. Now, as per the New York Times, President Joe Biden has actually allowed Ukrainians to strike Russia deep inside with the American ATACMS missile system. Now, it is going to open a whole can of worms because what I can realize is it will be followed by French as well as by Britishers. They may allow Ukrainians to hit inside deep inside Russia via their scalp and storm shadows, and post German election whosoever is in the office, they may also follow the same pathway, very much same pathway. So things are not very good, but I don't think that this will actually have any impact on the course of the war, because actually Russia has got the capacity and capability to intercept all these missiles, and their S-400 systems and other systems are very good in that respect actually, but why they are doing so, the reason which many of the supporters of Joe Biden administration or the Western camp gives, that since the North Korean troops are already there in Russia, which they claim, and Ukrainians also claim that they are fighting in coastal region, but not very credible evidences right now. But whatsoever, even after that, the course of the battle is not going to change, but it may have other implementations and implications in other regions. Already Russia is supporting adversaries of United States of America in the Middle East region, in Africa, so these activities might increase. But why Joe Biden or old Joe is doing this? Because he wants to actually put as many as what word you should use, yeah, I don't want to use something very fancy word. He want to make life miserable for the upcoming Donald Trump administration. And we should not forget that what happened in 2016, in the dying days of Barack Obama administration, they actually illegally confiscated properties of Russian diplomatic staff, diplomatic properties of Russia. So these things can happen again, and I think this decision by Joe Biden administration is going in that very direction. Thank you.